Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into a recovery mode. So to get started, swipe down twice from the top of your screen and then click on the power button here in the corner and choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. In a moment this will boot us into boot mode, or fastboot mode, basically the same thing right here. And using volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode show up right here, like so. Press power button to confirm it. Now next we will see Android with no command, and to get past this you're going to start holding power button, and while holding it, press volume up. And this will then redirect us to the desired recovery mode. In here, we can use again volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have a Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to the previous screen, the one that we have seen after turning off the device. We have also Fastboot mode, though even though the first mode after turning off the device was labeled as Fastboot mode as well, when you click on this one, confirm it, it will take you to the dedicated mode with a similar looking UI as this one, just much less options. Now scrolling down, we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, though there is no SD card tray right here. Then we have wipe data, mount system, relax, run tests, and power off. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.